In this part of the tutorial, I'll show you how to mirror the lines or the shape that you've drawn. So in this situation, I want to mirror this onto the other side. So the first thing would be click on your sketch, right click, edit sketch, and I want to create a center line. So I want to mirror this particular shape from this center point. Click on the line tool, and from the center just draw a small line. Click on mirror entities, highlight the lines or click on the lines that you want to mirror, and it'll show up on the left hand side. Click on mirror about into the box and make sure that you click into the box, which is highlighted blue. Click onto the center line and you'll see, if you click on the tick, you'll see the line, the shape appears on the other side where you want to mirror it. And the next step would be features. I want this to be cut through, extruded cut. Click on both of these shapes, tick, and then you have a part with finger joint part, one part of the finger joint.